Okay guys, today we're going to replace the battery in our Roadtrek. It's a 2001, what is it, 190 Versatile. It's about a little over 5 years old, so it's due. So we're going to take this battery out. Now when you replace the battery, there's a series that you want to do. You want to take off your negative first, then your positive. This way it won't get arcing, because if it touches the negative post, it won't have no juice to it. I still try not to touch them, so it's really pretty simple. Now I gotta loosen the top. I gotta go get, maybe I have a wrench right here. Has a tie down bolts. There we go. I'll loosen the tie down bolts down. Go ahead and pick. Don't want none to fall down. I don't want to have to get on the ground, so. What I'm gonna do here is put my nuts back on there so I don't lose everything. Get both sides off. There's the straps. Now we'll get the positive. See, now the positive sets way back in there. And you could hit the metal, and you don't want to hit that and then spark it, but by taking the negative off first, you don't have that much chance of that. There, it's really loose. Let's see if we can pull it up out of here. They're heavy. Gonna probably be the hardest job, is just pulling it up out. It says it was in 15, so the battery is due. This was a 42 months battery. This is a AC Delco Professional 42 months battery. So we're going down to the parts store and get another one. All right, we're getting ready to put the battery back in. We gotta go fetch it out of the car. These things are so heavy. Here we go. That wasn't too bad. It's minus, that's the plus. There's my other cable, should be. There it is. Oh, I have to get the battery strap back in here. Get it in place. There it is. That on top. Hold this one up here. And let's see if we can feed that across there and not lose our bolt. Pretty easy to change out. I mean, a battery's nothing too hard. Let's get a bolt started here. Now the posts are clean here, but I want to do is clean the battery terminals, the cables. The battery posts look pretty good. They have like a little ratchet on these tie downs so that it doesn't work loose. Usually a battery is pretty easy, most models. I don't think I had to do any changing around. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. What I wanna do is go get my cleaner. Okay, while we're here, we're gonna clean the terminal on these posts here. I gotta remember how I took that off. You gotta go the opposite. So you put the positive my little cleaner's a little wore down. So what you do is you put the positive on first now, negative on second. This way. So, positive on first, and we'll tighten that down. Another reason, if I put the positive, I haven't got the negative hooked up yet. This way, when you tighten everything up here in a tight spot, sometimes your wrench will hit the metal, and you don't want to spark it. Get it pretty tight. Now we'll put the negative one on next. Get the little battery protector off. That might be a little fun to do. You go get a, oh, I got a screwdriver right here. We don't have the Phillips, but maybe I can make it work. There it goes. Pop that right off. I always put my tools back away. That way the next time they're where they belong. Now I'll put this on there. Yeah, we'll set the tools down. Let's see if it'll fire up. Get my keys out here. All right, well, let's see what happens. Give it a shot. There we go. We're just under between a half and a quarter tank of gas. So it's a running. All right, guys, we've got the running. It's starting. It's running good. I'm going to set the clock. It's 9:07 hour. Let's see if we can get this to 9:07. There's 9. It says 17. I'm going to say 9:08 till we get there. Well, you start counting down minutes, and it's like, you know, you count 30, 60 minutes. Takes long. I'm going to say 9:08. There we go. 9:08. Clock's set. So it looks like we're good to go. I don't even know if the radio works. I guess it does. Let's AM, FM. So it does work. Now we have our tire pressure monitor system here. The front one and the back one is not registering, so what I'm going to do is go over here 1 second and see if I can, usually you put them off and back on, they'll work. Let's see if that one came on. No, it didn't. I think the batteries are bad in the tire pressure system. It's a real cheap one. I have another one. I was going to replace it and I never have, so I might do that. So, hey guys, this is our 2001 Roadtrek Versatile. We put a new battery in it. Seems like it's working fine. I got it idling here. Let's go ahead and shut it off and start it back up to see how it works. There we go. It's running. I'll let it run a little bit long. The dinger gone there. So, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if I taught you anything or not. If you've never changed the battery, that's how you change a battery in a Roadtrek. We're all set to go. This battery was 5 years old. New one's only got a 2-year warranty on it. They don't warrant batteries like they used to. And from what I heard, they don't even last like they used to. So, but we're all set for a couple years, ready to go. If you want to do some camping, we're ready to go. So, hey guys, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the thumbs up. Join us on our other road trekking adventures that we've done. We've done all kinds of different videos on road trekking, so check them out. We'll see you guys the next time. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. All right, if you want to see how to get some of our other links, when you go to our main YouTube page, up here into the picture area right here, you'll see it says like Facebook. You can click on that. That'll take you right over to our Facebook group. And you're welcome. You can join the Facebook group, add your videos, add whatever you meant, do some discussion there, but you can go there. If you would like to support us on Amazon, Again, up in this picture, you'll see a link that says Amazon. Click on that link right there. Go ahead and sign in, make all your purchases, and what will happen here, you'll give us a tip. We get a small percentage back. Costs you absolutely nothing, but it does help us out, and we appreciate that. Thought I'd just show you a few little links here if you want to go to some other features we have here at Lucky Dog Productions.